Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This is Omar from Simple Tutorials. In this video we will be talking about how to turn off the checkout password on the PS5 store. Now before we dive into the video, there is a link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So it is going to be super amazing if you do that. Okay, so how do you actually turn off checkout password on PS5 store? So it is basically quite simple. What you need to do is simply head over to your sign into your account management. As you can see in here, let me show you a bit more clearly. So first you need to head over to your settings, sign into your account management, and then you are going to be heading over to your payment management. Once you are there, you will be able to toggle the require password at checkout button, and similarly you can disable that as well. So in order to toggle, in case you want to enable it, you can toggle it on, and in case you want to disable it, simply turn it off. So now if you are using PS4, maybe you can head over to settings, account management, account information, then to wallet, purchase settings, and sign in. And yeah, so basically then you are going to be enter your password, and basically this is the process to simply enable it, but the same exact procedure could be followed to disable it as well. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you learned something new. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel, as well as subscribe for more videos like these. Head over to Simple Tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.